Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about where to hold your crypto. So you can either hold your crypto on spot exchanges or DEX, which is decentralized exchanges, or also you can hold it on hot wallets such as MetaMask or cold wallets. And we're going to talk about it more in this video. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Once again, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. I'll appreciate your support so much, guys. Also, you can give me some ideas of topics you want me to talk about on my channel. It will help me a lot, so I can make video by your request. Don't forget to comment below and tell me which topics you want me to consider in my YouTube channel, so I can easily make video on this topic.
Okay.
Let's come back to our topic and let's talk about exchanges first. So what exchange offer us in total in general? First, it's ability to exchange cryptocurrency at any time. Many exchanges are work continuously. Second, is availability of cryptocurrency exchange for any payment instrument of interest. Other types of coins, electronic or fiat money. The third one is a large number of offers allowing you to choose the most favorable conditions. Fourth one is no mandatory needs to pass verification. Not all exchanges services require it. And the next one is ease of exchange. The user does not need to study complex instructions, install any software, for example. Also, efficiency of transactions. After sending the application and coins to the account of the exchanger, the equivalent amount in another form of funds can be received just in 10 or 15 minutes, sometimes even in 1 minute. Next one is possibility to receive the equivalent in cash if it's necessarily. As I said before, guys, we have spot exchanges or DEX, which is decentralized exchanges. Here you can see the list of top spot exchanges, and also DeFi exchanges are only different because they are decentralized. Sometimes you even don't need to create your account there. All you have to do is just connect your wallet to this exchange. When on spot exchanges, you always should verify yourself and sign in. Also, we're having another kind of exchanges like Telegram exchanges. How does Telegram exchanges work? There are several types of Telegram exchanges. Firstly, these are bots that work like centralized exchanges or spot exchanges. Telegram applications of this kind were already active during the crypto boom in 2017. In terms of their mechanism, Telegram bots are similar to offer P2P platforms. The user has his own crypto wallet built into the infrastructure of the bot, where the cryptocurrency will be received upon purchase. The user selects the type of exchange operation and the seller based on his rating. The advantage of such bots is that the exchange can be carried out quickly without leaving the messengers. Unfortunately, scammers create their own exchanges or clones of existing Telegram bots. Because of this, it's not so reliable way to exchange your cryptocurrency.
What do you say we make it interesting?
Why not?
Yeah, cool. Everybody kick in $5. There, wasn't that interesting?
Another option is secret chart for over-the-counter, which is OTC trading. It has its own system of recommendations and reviews. Of course, there is also the risk of becoming a victim of fraud. But I myself use OTC Guy here in my city, so you can find it anyway in your country, in your city. Apart of exchanges, we're having crypto wallets, of course, and let's talk about two kinds of wallets, which is cold wallet and hot wallet. So which one to choose and how to create this wallet? Hot wallet is a wallet that has a permanent internet connection. They are mobile, desktop, and can work directly from the browser. They allow you to instantly buy or sell coins and tokens without the need for additional settings. And cold wallet or cold storage, from another hand, it's a cold wallet that does not have a permanent internet connection. Connection to the network is carried out only for a few seconds at the time of the immediate implementation of the transaction. It involves storing the currency offline under the protection of a reliable personal key. So let's talk about pros of cold wallets. And first one is the ability to create backups. Second one is maximum level of protection against hacking. And third one is sustainable for storing large amounts. And pros of hot wallets as fast transactions, support a large number of cryptocurrencies, and perfect for beginners who doesn't have much amounts. The main disadvantage of hot wallet is that does not have a high level of protection as a cold one. Therefore, hot wallets is used for fast transactions with small amounts of cryptocurrency. Cold is chosen by investors for storing large amounts. Cold storage or cold wallet is more often presented in a hardware form, a hard drive for a computer or a separate device that stores all the information. It is difficult to carry out transactions quickly, so it's perfect for a long-term secure storage of cryptocurrency. The process of working with a hardware wallet is like this. The device is connected to a computer, the user is authorizing the keys, and the owner carries out the necessary operations with cryptocurrency and turn off the device until the next session. That's really easy and simple.
It'll be easy as 1, 2... 3.
So guys, I hope you understood everything, how to hold your cryptocurrency if you're a beginner especially, so you can hold it either on wallet. For sure, you should create your first crypto wallet, first hot crypto wallet. You have to have it, and also when you will be more professional and when you will have larger sums of money, you can easily buy your first cold wallet. And a part of it, you can hold your money on spot exchanges or DeFi exchanges, which is DEX. So guys, I hope this video was really informative for you, and I'll see you in my next one.